Are your Windows apps broken by the Freebl3 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. As we look at the manual steps for Freebl3 library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This DLL file is a cryptographic library used by Mozilla applications like Firefox and Thunderbird. It provides fundamental encryption algorithms and hashing functions for the Network Security Services (NSS) framework on Windows. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Mozilla Firefox (NSS) installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Mozilla Firefox (NSS) is the fastest way to restore the Freebl3 library DLL and get the program running again. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing the Freebl3 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone, the Freebl3 library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If you're addressing the Freebl3 library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing the Freebl3 library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.